Good morning. It is the day of my best friend's wedding, so I thought I would vlog today and just share some behind the scenes clips of her special day. I really don't know what I'm going to capture today, but it is a gorgeous sunny day and it's going to be an awesome wedding. So Sagey is eating her breakfast. Also, it's so nice not to have to hide the belly anymore. It was getting so hard. Last minute, Matt's mom was supposed to watch Sage tonight, but her husband got COVID, so we had to last minute find another babysitter, and luckily my tia Debbie came in and saved the day. So she is gonna be spending all day with Sage. They're doing a little slumber party tonight, and she's gonna be here, I think, in like an hour. I'm gonna show her like her routine and stuff, because they were actually in Portugal for a few months, so Sage hasn't even seen her in a little bit. I think they're gonna be best friends, but my tia Debbie is so good with kids, and every time Sage sees her, she's always excited. So for breakfast that Daddy made, some avocado toast, banana sushi. Yes? Oh, you need to wipe your hand? Okay. Are you gonna spend the day with Tia Debbie? So I don't know if I mentioned, but I'm actually the maid of honor. So I just finished up my speech last night, and I'm hoping I get some tears out of the bride. Do you think Yvonne's gonna cry? Do you think you can cry? Because she's like, yeah, happy tears. I'm probably just gonna say my speech off of my phone, but I told Matt I wanna print a hard copy too, just in case. And he said it might be easier.
Swing.
You say, oh, mommy?
No, swing.
Oh, swing. Oh, it's so hard to do with my belly. I did this thing the other day. I regret it. I regret it. It's like a kettlebell swing with a 2-year-old. Okay, hang on. Let me show them. Come here. Come here, monkey. Okay, ready? Beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep. Ready? 1. Got you. 1, 2. Swing! Go to Daddy. Daddy will give you more swings. Oh, that is my morning cardio. Also, I took Cassie for a nice long morning walk with my herbal coffee this morning at it was just before 7. It was so nice. I need to do that every day before Sage wakes up. Okay, I'm out of breath from that. Okay, let's make smoothie, blow dry my hair, write the card, and then I need to pack my stuff so that when my tia Debbie gets here, I can run through everything Sage related. My fridge is very messy, but this shelf here is all Sage's stuff. I have some berries already cut, apples, cucumbers, fish cakes that I made, her lunch. She really likes salsa. I have some sunflower seeds and stuff, cheese, guac, more cheese, stuff. Anyways, rest of the stuff is all messy, but that is organized for her today. And fun fact, my tia Debbie actually used to run like a home daycare, and she even babysat me at one point. So if she can babysit me, she can deal with this one here. No, Sage is like actually at such a fun age. Yeah, you're gonna go to dance? You're gonna go dance and you're gonna shake your booty. All right, we are in the car. It's actually the most gorgeous day today. What's on my face?
It's quite nice.
It's really nice, right? Good day for a drive.
It's 19 degrees actually.
Is it? Like, I brought a jacket, but I don't really need it. Yeah, so we are meeting at Hotel X. It's like in the exhibition. And that's where we're gonna get ready at the bridal suite there with everyone. Feeling good. Sage was having so much fun with my Aunt Debbie, and yeah, she didn't even notice that we left. They were playing outside and we're just like sneaking out. But yeah, she's gonna have a fun time. She's never gonna notice.
Fun.
My aunt brought like a bunch of goodies, like some bubbles and like a butterfly net to catch the bubbles. I'm like, she's bringing back her home daycare days. It was perfect. Sage was so excited. You don't even have to do anything. You're just already ready.
Well, I shaved yesterday.
I shaved too. I had a wax, I had a shave, I had to do all the things, I had a tan. I told Matt I want to use my self tanner on him. I did like the Luna Bronze Mousse self tanner yesterday. I don't think I mentioned that. So if I'm looking tan, I only did a little bit on my face because I'm gonna wear makeup, but if I look a little tanned, it's fake. Got my speech, I got the card, I got a little gift. I actually got her, my friend, matching friendship bracelets, same one I have. It's a paperclip bracelet. I will link it down below. It's from Vanderhood Jewelry. It's like where all my jewelry is from. Love them. And yeah, it's loud with the window down, but we're almost there, and then I will vlog a little bit when we get there. I don't know what I'm vlogging today, but I just thought I would document some of it, and we'll see if it turns out enough footage to be a vlog. Maybe Matt will vlog.
Probably not.
I can't rely on him for anything. Trying to find the entrance to the hotel. We're such newbies to the city now.
Well, it says there, Hotel X entrance.
Oh, okay. I'm already thinking of what I'm gonna order for lunch from Uber Eats. So many food options here.
She's gonna be dropped off.
All right, I'm vlogging a little bit today, but I'm vlogging your wedding.
Gotta drink for the pregnant girl. Oh wait, I can't say that, right?
No, this is fine. They know now. They know
okay.
now. Yeah.
Wait, so just to confirm, it's 10 minutes away?
Yeah.
Oh shit. I thought it was like 2 minutes.
No.
No.
Oh, okay, sorry.
We are running a little behind. We got the bride and groom. Alright, so I was hoping to surprise Yvonne. I have not mentioned anything about doing a speech, but apparently she already knew, so I didn't.
I've known you since grade 6. I know you're doing a
It is grade 6. Okay, I put 5th grade and knew it was wrong. I did that. Oh, okay. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Nikole, Yvonne's maid of honor and best friend since elementary.
and a famous YouTuber.
Subscribe. Okay. I remember the first time I met Yvonne. It was 6th grade, and Yvonne was at the front of the class being introduced as the new girl. She stood up there quietly, observing the room, and had this sort of, I'm too cool for school look on her face. I knew right away, I like this girl. Little did I know at the time, I had just laid eyes on my forever friend. This girl has been my ride or die since day one. I mean, it wasn't always easy being friends with Yvonne. If you know Yvonne well, then you know this girl gets what she wants. I pity the person that's on the other end of that customer service call. Because little do they know they're about to give her that delayed dishwasher for 50% off while throwing in a dryer. That's kind of a true story. She is not, I think her exact words, I'm at work. I got all day.
That was true.
Let's raise our glasses and cheers to the newlyweds. It is way past our bedtime.
It's 2.
It's 2 in the morning. I don't even know how I lasted this long. We just left the wedding. I feel like our voices are so like cracked.
The music was loud.
Music was so loud. Like I felt like
the music was loud.
I was like,
To like yell over it. So
yeah. I feel like I'm gonna lose my voice tomorrow. My ears are like ringing. I'm just like, It was such a fun wedding. Like, we were dancing the entire time, and that's all my friend Yvonne wanted. She just wanted it to be a party, and it was that. Like, the DJ nailed it. My family, it's funny because like most of my family doesn't actually drink, and like they know how to party. Like, everyone was on the dance floor and just having a really great time. Obviously I wasn't drinking. Matt wasn't drinking either, hence the driving. But yeah, so we're heading home now. We're probably gonna be home at like 3 a.m. and Sage is gonna be up nice and early. So tomorrow will be a little rough, but I'm excited to get a good night's sleep. But yeah, I tried to get some clips on the dance floor, but we were having so much fun. Like, I got like such a cardio sesh. I was like jumping. I'm like, this is not good for my pelvic floor. If you know, you know. So that is gonna be it for today's vlog. A little bit different than what I normally do, but it was just a really special wedding, so I thought I would just share with you guys some clips. Matt's loosening his shoes.
I'm taking them off, actually.
Are you gonna drive
Driving
barefoot?
in socks. Well, socks. No different than when you have sandals on.
I don't think she's driving in socks.
Sue me.
Oh, I ended up eating some like Mediterranean food near the end. I was doing so good with my nausea, and then I was like, oh, that did not mix well with jumping up and down dancing. So yeah, I'm not feeling the greatest right now, but my energy was great. Oh, the speech went so well. I literally had so many of Yvonne and Justin's like friends and family members come up to me and say how much they enjoyed the speech, and like it just really touched them. So yeah, I'm just really happy because that was like two things I wanted to do today, is like give them the speech that they deserve, and then also make sure I have the energy to keep partying till the end, because I know they wanted to party, and I was like, I did it. I was nervous that I was like I was gonna be too tired. So, also love my hair and makeup, and I don't know if, yeah, we got photos. I think Matt and I got some cute photos from the photographer that we'll insert, and I'll link the girl Nikole who did my hair and makeup down below if you guys want to check her out. But that's it. Good night. Look at us cool parents. Fist bump. Love you, babe.
Love you too.
We made it.
Sleepy time.
I know, we're gonna be so tired tomorrow.